Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the basics so the procedure runs predictably. First, place the Space Chamber Plus on a level, ventilated surface and plug into the correct 110/220V supply. Once connected, test the emergency stop and grounding. This prevents electrical or vacuum hazards. Make sure you wear gloves and eye protection and confirm your sample material is vacuum safe. With those prerequisites met, power on the unit and wait for the system self-check to finish before changing any controls. You now proceed to the detailed setup. Open the chamber and position the sample on the platform using isolation pads or clamps to prevent movement. Secure thermal contacts if heating or cooling is needed. Next, set the vacuum target and ramp rate. Select an existing program for repeatable runs or use manual mode for custom profiles. Once set, enable heaters or coolant circuits as required and start the pump sequence. Monitor pressure, temperature, and flow sensors closely so you can adjust the ramp if you see instability. You finish by completing the program cycle and bringing the system back safely. Hold the target conditions for the required duration, then ramp temperature and pressure back to ambient slowly to avoid thermal shock. Record peak vacuum, maximum temperature, and total runtime. Save the profile for future consistency. If a leak, sensor fault, or abnormal noise appears, stop the run, vent using the controlled valve, and inspect seals, fittings, and sensors before restarting. This prevents sample loss and hardware damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.